Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. So today I want to talk about the hierarchy and jurisdiction of the subordinate court. The High Court of Malaya is one of the superior courts in Malaysia, serving Peninsular Malaysia. It handles a wide range of cases, including serious criminal offences like murder and drug trafficking, and civil disputes involving substantial amounts of money. The court is divided into specialized divisions such as the commercial, criminal, civil and family divisions to efficiently manage different types of cases. Judges of the High Court of Malaya are appointed by the King on the advice of the Prime Minister after consultation with the Conference of Rulers. The court plays a crucial role in upholding justice and maintaining the rule of law in Peninsular Malaysia. The Session Court in Malaysia is a lower court that handles both civil and criminal cases. In civil matters, it has jurisdiction over cases involving claims of up to 1 million ringgit. For criminal cases, it can try all offences except those punishable by death. The Session Court can impose sentences of up to 20 years in prison, fines and caning. It is an essential part of the judicial system, providing access to justice for less severe cases and easing the caseload of higher courts.
The First-Class Magistrate Court Malaysia is a lower court that handles both civil and criminal matters. In civil case, it has jurisdiction over claim up to RM100,000. For criminal case, it can try offences with a maximum sentence of up to 10 years in prison or a fine. It can also impose sentences including imprisonment, which is up to 5 years, fines and caning. The First-Class Magistrates Court plays a crucial role in the judicial system by managing less severe cases and ensuring the efficient administration of justice. The Second-Class Magistrates Court in Malaysia is the lowest tier in the judicial system. It handles minor civil and criminal cases. For civil matters, it has jurisdiction over claim up to RM10,000. In criminal case, it can try offences punishable by up to 12 months in prison or a fine. It can impose sentences of up to 6 months in prison or a fine of up to RM1,000. The Second-Class Magistrates Court help manage minor cases, ensuring that the higher courts are not overburdened.
The scope for civil jurisdiction include case involving property dispute, contract issue, family matter such as divorce and child custody, and other non-criminal matter. For monetary limit, is different subordinate court may have monetary limit on the case they can handle. For instance, small cause court handle dispute involving smaller amount of money. Jurisdiction. Scope for criminal jurisdiction is cover case involving offences against the state or individual such as thief, assault, fraud and murder. For severity of offences is the severity of the crimes often determines which subordinate court will handle the case. For instance, magistrate court handle minor offences while district court handle more serious crimes. Jurisdiction. The scope for territorial jurisdiction define the geographical area within which a court can operate. Each subordinate court has a specific area of operation, such as a district or a subdivision. For geographic boundaries, territorial jurisdiction is defined by geographic boundaries, such as city, state, or country lines. A court authority is limited to these boundaries. Type of case for territorial jurisdiction is court with territorial jurisdiction handle cases that occur within their geographic area. These include civil, criminal, and administrative cases. Scope for pecuniary jurisdiction refer to the financial limit within which a court can hear case. Different courts handle case based on the monetary value involved. For instance, in many judicial systems, small claims courts have a lower limit on the amount of money that can be disputed, while higher courts handle cases involving larger sum. This division helps streamline the legal process and allocate resources efficiently. Scope for appellate jurisdiction is some subordinate court have the authority to hear appeal from lower court. For example, district court may hear appeal from subdivisional or municipal court. Scope for appellate court do not conduct new trials or hear new evidence. They review the lower court record, which include transcript, evidence, or other documentation. Standard of review. Appellate court apply different standard of review depending on the issue being appealed. Common standard include fresh review without deference to the lower court decision. For legal question, clear error for factual determination and abuse of description. For certain discretionary decision. Type of appeal. Appeal can be on various grounds such as error in applying the law, procedural mistake, or issue with how the evidence was handled. Appellate procedure. The appellate process typically involves written brief submitted by both parties, oral arguments, and then a decision by the appellate judges. The appellate court can affirm, reverse, modify, or remand the case back to the lower court for future proceedings.
In common law system, a superior court is essentially a high-level trial court that can handle a wide range of legal cases, which mean they deal with specific type of cases like minor offence or claims under a certain amount of money. In criminal cases, no case may be brought to the High Court unless an offender has been committed for trial after a hearing in a magistrate court. The High Court has jurisdiction to hear these civil matters where the cause of action occurs in Malaysia or the fact that the action exists in Malaysia. Courts in Malaysia are moving towards specialization. At the High Court in Malaya in Kuala Lumpur, specialization is done by categorizing the High Court into Crime Division, Appellate Division and Special Powers, Civil Division and Crime Division. In civil cases, if the amount or value of the claim is less than 250,000, except with the leave of the court and the judgment or order is made by consent of parties. Function of industry court are to hear and hand down decision or awards in industry dispute referred to it by the minister or directly by the parties. why the Federal Court has the exclusive jurisdiction to determine all civil and criminal appeals from the Court of Appeal and any constitutional question which have arisen in the proceeding of the High Court but refer to the Federal Court for a decision.